Hello and welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to fix Snapchat camera not working issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. No doubt Snapchat is a fast and fun way to share the moments with your friends and family, but however, you might sometime face an issue that will not allow you to use the Snapchat camera. In that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've provided camera access permission to your Snapchat application. Tap Open Settings from your app drawer and from the Settings menu, tap on Apps. From the list of the apps, select Snapchat and tap it on. This will open up the app info page. Now, scroll down until you see the Permissions tab and give it a tap. Make sure that you've allowed access for your camera from this page. Tap on the camera option and make sure that you've selected the allow option. Now you can go back and open up your Snapchat app to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing to do is to try alternating between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you can try switching between your mobile data or vice versa. Also, you can try turning on your flight mode by giving this airplane icon a tap, wait for a couple of minutes and turn it off back again. Wait until your mobile device gets connected to an internet, and once it does, simply go tap Open Play Store. Go to the search button at the top and type in Snapchat. Perform your search, and if you see an update button right next to the Snapchat application, tap on Update to download the latest version of Snapchat on your mobile device. Once you've done that, tap on the Open button and make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Snapchat. If that still does not work, go to the top left-hand corner and tap on your Bitmoji. Tap the Settings button or the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down until you see Clear Cache button and give it a tap. Tap on the Continue button in order to clear out your cache, your memory from your Snapchat app. Once you've successfully cleared out your cache data, your problem might be fixed. Those were some of the easiest fixes for you whenever your Snapchat camera is not working. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.